Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to draw a line. So the materials you will need is a permanent marker, and then we will need to use colors. So we need to have a yellow. You can use peach or yellow. I'm just using yellow. And you need orange for the name. So let's get started. You're gonna take out your permanent marker and we're gonna start drawing the head and the ears. So just draw a big oval. After that, we're gonna draw two semicircles over here to represent the ears. When you're done with that, we're gonna start drawing the face. So you can just draw whatever eyes you want, opened or closed. So I'm just gonna draw them closed because it's easier. Just like that. And then for the nose and the mouth, we're gonna draw a sort of you can draw an upside down triangle or you can draw a circle. A circle is easier, but I'm gonna draw an upside down triangle. And when you're done with that, we're gonna make two long curvy lines. When you're done with that, we're gonna start drawing the mane. So we're just gonna make big humps. So when you're done with that, we're gonna start drawing the body. So I wanna draw it cute. So we're just gonna come over here and we're gonna draw sort of like an arch over here. Like that. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw two humps. And we're gonna come up a little bit past this one. Now we're gonna draw a line below that one and come over here. For this one, we're just gonna draw a hump. Connect those two, and we're gonna draw another hump, like that. Now we're gonna start drawing the tail. So just draw like a triangle, a really skinny triangle, and we're gonna draw like a flower around it. So now that that is done, we're gonna start coloring. So I'm gonna take out my yellow and I'm gonna color everything except for the mane. Now I'm gonna start coloring everything else orange. So the nose will be orange. And this bushy part of the tail should be orange too, and the mane will be orange. So let's color that. So I am done coloring my lion, and this is how it should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!